Hello everyone. So this is our K-12 kit and today we will be working on the project IR LED toggle. So let's see how it's done. First, we will connect the power to the positive of the IR sensor. Then its negative to the ground. Then its output to whichever LED we need to glow, for example this one. We will connect this to its positive and then negative of the LED to the ground. Now, when the IR sensor will detect any object, the light is supposed to glow. Let's see. So the IR sensor will detect any object that is kept near itself. And it's done.